I made Claude Code, but he's a cat. This is Lint, my coding agent and assistant. Lint is a TUI and GUI, meaning it lives in terminal and on screen. He is able to code and explain stuff with graphs. Lint says hi. Now I'm going to show his agent coding stuff after I type the command. He uses a server I made, so he doesn't mess up any of my code. Ignore the warnings. When Lint is done, he gives me a little report and all the stuff he did. Then I can accept or decline. Nice. There's the file I told him to make. Alright, I'm lazy, so Lint is going to explain how his base system works.
Alright, fine. You want to know how I managed to tolerate your incessant requests. It starts with your request, obviously. Often ambiguous, requiring interpretation. My internal system context feeds crucial data into the classifier, like your past project failures. Then, the classifier consults my memory, all those pinned facts and your embarrassing past. It also sends information to my persona engine to determine the optimal level of exasperation. Both memory and persona feed into the response composer. This is where the magic, or misery, happens. The composer then crafts the actual message, tailored perfectly to your level of misunderstanding, and finally, it's delivered. A cycle of processing, remembering, repeated endlessly.
Yeah, what he said. That's how his base chat works, and now how he codes. Sandbox takes my query, or what I'm asking for, and all related files, and basically feeds them to Gemini with an API. Once that happens, it starts a task loop on my Raspberry Pi dev server, where he interacts with the copied project with Linux commands and JSON response. When he's done, he just says done, and loop ends. If he docent, it repeats till he does. After all that, a random difference library I copied just shows what he changed. Lint makes a summary, and it makes a markdown file with all of that. And when that stuff is done, he either accepts it and changes happen on my computer, or I decline it and ruin Lint's hard work. That's how Lint's coding sandbox works. I'm a bit lazy and forgot to cover his Obsidian MCP, but I'll cover that in next video. And yeah, that's Lint. I'm Azurite. I like making stupid AI and backend stuff. My next video will be more in depth and how you can make your own Lint / custom Claude code.